In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Elder Force Index or EFI in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the main chart tools are located. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Indicators icon. When you locate the Indicators icon, click on it to open the Indicators menu. Inside this menu, select Add Indicator to continue. After selecting Add Indicator, a list of available indicators will appear. Scroll through the list to find Elder Force Index or EFI, or use the search box to type it in directly. Once you locate EFI in the results, click on it to add it to your chart. After it has been added, the indicator will automatically appear on your chart interface. At this point, you can confirm that Elder Force Index is now active and visible in your chart area. Next, proceed to adjust the indicator if needed. Look for the settings option associated with EFI. Click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, review the available configuration options for the Elder Force Index. Make any adjustments based on your preferred chart setup. Once you are finished adjusting the settings, close the Settings panel to return to your chart. The Elder Force Index will remain applied with your selected configuration. From here, you can continue analyzing your chart with EFI displayed as part of your indicators.